Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit and withdraw on Coinbase Wallet. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Coinbase app and then you just have to simply log in into your wallet if you haven't already. Now here on the home page, you will be able to see this receive tab. So you need to tap on receive and then it will show you a bunch of different networks that you can use in order to make the deposits happen. So here you can get the Ethereum address, Bitcoin address, Solana address, etc. So you just have to select that particular address which you want to use in order to make the deposit. Let's say I want to deposit with the help of my Solana address. So I'm going to deposit Solana into my Coinbase wallet. So I'm simply going to copy the Solana address from here. After that, you need to launch that particular exchange or that particular wallet from which you are going to make the deposits. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use my Binance app. So you need to launch your Binance app and then tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, select the spot option and then among the given cryptos that you have, you need to select Solana. Here, select the withdrawal option in the bottom and between these two options, select the first option that says send via crypto network because we are going to make the transfer outside of Binance. After selecting it, you need to paste the address that we have just copied from our Coinbase wallet. Then in the network, it will ask you to select the network. So you need to select the Solana network. Then in the withdrawal amount, enter the amount of Solana that you want to withdraw. After filling these details, you need to press the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to confirm and initiate your transaction, and this way you will be able to withdraw your money from Binance and get it deposited into your Coinbase wallet. Now, in order to withdraw from the Coinbase wallet, what you need to do is you need to come to the home page again, and if you have any of the coins in your Coinbase wallet, you will be able to see that on the home page. And you also be able to see the send option in the top. So you need to tap on that send button, and after that on the next page it will ask you to provide the destination address. So you need to just copy the address from that particular wallet or that exchange in which you want to withdraw your money from the Coinbase wallet. After that, you just have to copy the deposit address from there and paste it in your Coinbase wallet. Then you need to enter the amount of that particular coin which you want to withdraw from the Coinbase wallet and then initiate and confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, you will be able to withdraw your crypto from your Coinbase wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.